December 4th, it's my birthday. NuWave oven with extender ring kit, model 20326. Part 1 of 2. Thanks Mark and Kathy for this excellent infrared oven.
Let's purchase the NuWave Pro infrared oven. It's 12.8 pounds. The gross weight is 15. It measures 15.5 by 15.25 by 12.125. And this is a lot number. 1 unit black NuWave Oven Pro with extender ring kit.
Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living!
So I just pulled these out, and what I'm going to do is I'm laying them aside, move this box. It comes with send in your product registration, so I'll be filling that out. It comes and explains the extender ring, because mine came with the extender ring, and how to use it and how to assemble it. Here is care and directions on how to keep it clean. I haven't opened up these videos yet, but I think these are both the same. We got 2 free cookbooks, or 2 cookbooks. This special pizza flipper thing, which I have to figure out how to use. This is another type. This is another pizza flipper. This is the silicone pan for pizza. So you could use this brand new wooden base, and you could put your pizza on here, and these are the 2 things, and we will make a pizza, vegan pizza, so that I can show you how to use these. Now it also came with these flashcards, so it shows you a picture on the front, and on the back are detailed. None of these are vegan, but there's 1 or 2 of them that are close to being vegetarian. It does come with a quick and easy cooking guide to kind of give you an idea of what to cook. So there's the prices. You pay 3 payments of $61.64. The black oven kit, shipping discount. I got the extender kit, $5.90. First, actually it's going to cost more than that. It's going to cost $15. I got the 2 color Twister Supreme Pizza kit. That's what I was showing you. A black oven only. It's also, okay, I got free instructional DVD, recipe card gift, total of $130.09. And the merchandise that came with it was $50.74. So it gives you an idea how much these things cost. There is a 90-day money-back satisfaction guarantee. With the first 90 days from purchase date, you may return it for a full refund with the product price. Okay, so you have an idea of what this costs. The most important thing is this right here, the $130.09. That's how much it costs. All right, so now we take it apart. I'm lifting up all the plastic out. This is the extender ring. This is the top cover, so I guess it goes like this. And there's some kind of attachment over here. And there's the pan. Everything is very well packed, as you can see. Like this is the grill, another grill. Looks like it's got, okay, so top rack, bottom rack type thing. Save all the packing material. This is actually where the burn is coming from, the infrared light. It looks like this on the bottom. On the top it's got buttons. So it's got time cook, power levels, time only, pause, and start. Should be interesting. We'll put that away. So this is the base. So I'm thinking it goes inside of here, and it does. It fits really good. So you see right there, I've got the base, and then this on top of it. Pull this out of the box. Everything is very well wrapped. So what I usually do is I save all this and keep it for at least a month or 2, and then they work efficiently like my faucet did, then I leave it alone. Well, it looks like that fits inside the here. Little racks that you can pick up. And it says right in here, precaution. Okay, do not use without liner insert to reduce the risk of electrical shock. Okay, that's interesting. And there's nothing in here that I can see. Maybe these go like along here next to the handles. Assume that the extender plate, there's a lip here on the bottom, goes like that. Seems to fit fairly well. This has a lip here on the bottom over here, and I'm going to assume that it fits like this. Okay, that looks all correct. It's got a little bit of play. This goes on top, and I'm going to move it over so you can see it a little better. This up here. Alright, let's get all this buzz here. Put it back in the box. Now I'm assuming that the metal, okay, so we have to figure this out. We've got to pick this up. Oh, it looks like it stays on there. That's good. There's a lock mechanism on here so that you can lock it in so that it doesn't move. Okay. Okay, so let me show you. right where my finger is right here. Let's see if I can show you what right here is. Let's see, where is it at? Right here, there's an indentation in the metal that fits on this dome that locks it in place so that you can move the entire thing out and that without worrying about falling. So then there's this little pan here, and maybe the little pan works, yeah, it works maybe like that. And then you can have a double rack system. Anyway, so this could give you two different levels to cook. So you see, you have the base, that's the bottom piece, then that big black pan, and then this thing over here. It just depends, I guess, which one. They want you to use it this way. So then you get the base, the metal pan, which is on there, and then you put these things. Now it could be that this part doesn't go like that, but you just put this over the main pan and it fits just perfect. And then you put the dome on top, and then of course this is tied in with the dome. And then this thing here is a way for this piece here, the dome piece, to be removed and lean on so that you can do what you need to do. So I've got to figure out where that ties in. Okay, so then you have the big pan that sits on top like this, or for you, like so. And then if you pick it up, maybe you can lay this on the side. Okay, so that's how it works. So you see, it's holding up this thing over here just enough so that you can take care of what you need to do in the center here, and then you don't have to worry about it. So now, you figure out how to cook something. So give me a second to put all the ancillary things away, and I'll be right back. So a side note, this is the English one. So these were the directions from before. So you see you have the power head that's attached to the dome through a lock system. You have the cooking rack, you have a liner pan, and you have the bottom base basically, which is a base so that you can pick up the entire thing if you need to. But we have this one here, which is the NuWave Oven Pro. I have the 3-inch ring, which is at the bottom right here, and I've already installed mine. And these are the model number 20331 and 20323. I have a 3-inch extender ring. The extender ring for the NuWave oven should be used with multi-level cooking. So maybe that's why there's 2 racks. So maybe you don't use the one that's the 3-inch if you're just not going to do multiple cooking. Okay, and then to explain here, cook time, start, pause, clear, and all that. That's all over here. Okay, so then they explain the different numbers, meaning 195 degrees to number 10, which is 350 degrees, which you know I normally cook at that for my oven. And the timer functions explain that. And that's it. Basically cleaning of instruction. You can wash everything, but don't wash where the electrical power head is. Like the extender ring, I'll show you the instructions for that. Very minimal. It just shows you this cover here that holds down this over here, and the extender is like a 3-inch extender ring, I guess, to cook multiple cooking. They show you in this little book how to do dehydrating, which I am going to do for sure and show you how to do that. Again, I am going to do the french fries, I am going to do the corn on the cob and peas. They have a frozen party planner, which you can do different frozen foods together and defrost them and cook them in this thing. And this extent shows you right here how you can use the 2 different levels, and one would be down and one would be up. Let's take a look at this. They have one for corn on the cob like here. I mean, let's just show you these cards that was an extra $30 we paid for. Shrimp and shallots, of course I can't have shrimp. Sea salads and spinach and pastry purse, so maybe I can do the pastry purse without the shallots. There's salmon bolognese, chicken dijonnaise, lemon caramel custard. That might be cool if they figure out how to make that vegan. Rack of lamb, nope, that's not going to happen. Roasted turkey, unless it's stir funky, it's not going to happen. Roasted duck with cranberry orange, well, you know. Marinated tips won't be that. Roasted lobster, no, I'm going to keep those guys alive. Stuffed meatloaf with spinach, ham, and cheese. We might be able to do some of this. There's pesto salmon fillet with zucchini spirals. Okay, Texas style barbecue, we don't need that. Roasted vegetarian. So you can see these cards are just about, like here I have maple pecan buns. I'll have to figure this out. Potato au gratin, we have to change that to make it vegan. On the back of these cards it tells you exactly. It shows 6, these are the instructions, how to do it, and cooking tips that you might need for the oven. Here's Italian shrimp kebab, we can make a vegetable kebab. Egg and cheese sandwich, well we won't be using eggs. Pumpkin bread and muffins. And these might be a very nice treat for say a vegan party coming up. And I'll have to look, like for example, and these they want you to use a yellow kick mix. I'm going to have to look into that. Won't be using eggs. I'll be using probably tofu or other egg replacements. 3 bananas, 2 pumpkins. They're talking about a can. Some milk, cinnamon, nutmeg. So I might have to try this and see if I can make that work. And what it is, it looks like a little cupcake, you know, with a nut on top. There's chicken pot pie. We don't eat chickens. Class chicken parmesan, pork chops. And the last one is stuffed apple pastry with caramel. So you get all that, and this, it looks like this was seen on TV. So this is one of the products like you see on TV. So it's a really good deal, I think. The next thing we're going to have to figure out is how to turn it on. We have to wash it first, and after it's washed and dried, I'm thinking about cooking the corn in it first. There are recipes in these extra cooking books, and they're all down here. Like there's snacks, breakfast, poultry. So the point I'm doing with this is that you can try, if you're vegan, try some of these recipes. You just have to, of course, omit the meat, the butter, the milk, the eggs. You could probably have to use your alternatives. There's 2 books that come with that package. That comes with the extender ring, which extender ring does come with one of these, and the normal package comes with one of these. So you get 2 of these. I believe they're the same because on the CD-ROM it says instructional, NuWave show, testimonials, and more. When I went on the website itself, I saw even more information, which I'll put on there in case you're deciding to use this. I think this is a good alternative for the people who have limited space, like they were saying that this could go on a boat, this could go on a dorm room. So we're going to get started on the first. I'm cleaning it up. And you can watch me while I do that, and then we'll start the dinner for the night.
If you like this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.